These are a pair of Austin Healey BJ8 front seat covers. Customers asked for a rather unique setup on it, so I thought I'd do a little video just to show you it. So he's gone for leather-faced seats, which standardly, when they're on the BJ8s, were same colour piping all the way through. This customer has actually requested the chrome piping that was originally used on the vinyl seats to be on it, so we've put that on there, but he's also asked for an embossed pattern on the pleated panels. Now we've used the Jaguar embossing tool for this, as you can see. Normally the vinyl pleated panels on the BJ8 seats had a very small square embossed pattern on them. That's hypermixture welded, which isn't physically possible on leather like this, so we've used the Jaguar pattern as requested by the customer. So yeah, they look rather nice. Just thought I'd show you.